the Sealey LED137 Rechargeable Under-Bonnet Inspection Lamp. The Sealey LED137 features three 5-watt COB LEDs, providing up to 1000 lumens of light output. Unlike conventional underbonnet lamps, these can be rotated 40 degrees, allowing you to direct light to where you need it most. They feature spring-loaded telescopic arms, extendable from 1200 through to 1750 millimeters, enabling them to be used on a variety of vehicles including cars, vans and 4x4s. The arms feature padded hooks to ensure your bodywork's not damaged in use. And they can be clipped round most headrests for working on the interior of a vehicle. The LED137 is fitted with a rechargeable 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery with a maximum runtime of 15 hours and a 6-hour recharge time. They also feature a battery level indicator, a mains charger and a USB lead. They're manufactured using tough composite materials designed for daily workshop use. The Sealey LED137 Rechargeable Under-Bonnet Inspection Lamp. Another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range.